This course was a really great course, coming from a person who had no idea what digital marketing was, how social media works. I loved the course. Eli was a great teacher. I learned so many great things. It was very detailed. I feel like I have an 8 out of 10 general knowledge in the field of digital marketing. With practice, I feel that I will get much better. I loved everything. I loved Elvis and Eddie. They were great guys, and I would definitely come back for any other course they're giving. Thank you.
Eli and Elvis were ready to listen, understand, help, support, and everything. And I really recommend this workshop to everyone who wants to start learning digital marketing, or for those who want to deepen their knowledge into Act You Rock.